Oops, I forgot to show you the envelope in my big hurry. This is how the envelope cuts out, and you probably can't see it in the camera, but there are little notches where you can fold. Now, you can take those notches and line them up on your trimmer if you want to. It is better on the paper if you score the paper first, but with these notches it really does help line it up. See, now it's funny, on the Cricut Craft Room I'm finding that I can't hide those notches for some reason. There's certain contours you cannot hide, so it might be that I'm not doing something right. Maybe I'm not. There's something I'm not realizing. So it's okay though, I don't mind. All I do, since this paper has a white core, I just take the, what do you call this, the distress ink, and I just color them in, basically. And that's it. And then all you got to do is add your adhesive, which what I do is I go as close to the edge as I can, right here. And that's it. And now we've got an envelope. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye.